Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2005 Harley Davidson Electra Glide Ultra Classic. And this one's in vivid black. And this one is also the fuel injected model as well. Got a lot of really beautiful chrome detailing on this bike. Aftermarket floorboards, brake pedals, the highway pegs, and also the passenger pegs, they all match. And while riding this bike, your feet stay very planted. They've got really good grip. Tour pack has the luggage rack. We also have smoked out lenses. Speakers on the passenger backrest. More of that really nice chrome detailing. And the heel toe shifter also matches the footrests. So does that highway peg right there as well. Again, 2005. In beautiful condition. Come check it out. We're open for test rides 6 days a week.